Hey everybody, this is Spencer Dinwiddie with the Brooklyn Nets. Besides basketball, I love music. And the PaMu Scroll has been one of my favorite headphones so far. The sound quality is amazing. It's a record-setting product on Indiegogo and raised $4 million. In fact, I loved it so much that I had to hit up my folks at PaMu. And in turn, they showed me their next product, the PaMu Slide. Comes in this great case, slide open. It's easy to pair with your iPhone. The sound quality is amazing. The best headphone I've ever heard in my life. And if you know me, you know how seriously I take my workouts. Whether it's the sand dunes or Pilates or just plain old basketball, they never slip, they never slide, they never fall out your ear. Go check out Indiegogo.